Hello and welcome back to my channel dream.catcher.meera. This episode is the last episode of the Regensburg series. I hope you have seen my previous video all about must-see places in Regensburg, the best preserved medieval city of Germany. If not, watch it now. You will find the link in the iCard. In this video, you will see all about where to eat veggie food, best places to shop, and about the hotel I stayed in. So, let's go! As we enter the railway station, there are many kiosks where you find different kind of German breads with and without butter. And also tomato mozzarella sandwiches. If you're lucky enough, then you might also get veg cutlet sandwich. Along with that, there is always a coffee to go. Coffee in Germany is no problem, as Germans are die-hard coffee lovers. They can also drink it before going to bed. There are also international brands like Dunkin' Donuts, McDonald's, Burger King. But pay attention, Burger King does not have veg menu. McDonald's have recently turned their veggie burger into vegan burger, and that's too with an tofu. And believe me, it does not taste good. I didn't like it. Dunkin' Donuts is after all a dessert and it is not included in the main course. But if you don't find anything else, it is a good option with, again, a coffee to go. When there is a festival celebration on the streets of Regensburg, don't be surprised to see Germanized variant of Indian veggie food as I saw in this autumn festival. What else you will find in Regensburg to eat? To this list, let me add a handful number of Turkish kiosks and restaurants where you can eat durum, you can relate it with a wrap, and döner with a big bun, and both are in two different variants, with vegetables and vegetable with falafel. You can also go to l'Osteria for a perfect Italian food, where you can find veggie items like pasta and pizza, but when you order a veggie pizza, be ready to eat zucchini, brinjal and broccoli as the only topping on it, apart from the mozzarella pizza. I hope most of you know that I am an Indian living in Germany, and being an Indian, I cannot resist myself from going to an Indian restaurant, as after all, our food is the ultimate one. There are many Indian restaurants in Regensburg, but this one called Ganesha in the opposite street of railway station towards the city center is the best. It has a good interior with a variety of veg items. And if you are going for lunch, then they have a special offers starting from 5.5 euros. I ordered naan, dal makhni, rice and one paneer sabji. The benefit of the lunch menu is that you can either get soup or salad for free with the order. Believe me, the food was ultimate. It was so tasty. I have eaten in Indian restaurants of many European cities, but this one was the best, and that's why I make it a point to go there whenever I go to Regensburg. That I really loved and enjoyed the food over here. To all the Indians and non-Indians, if you are really interested in any kind of veg and non-veg Indian food, Ganesha restaurant in Regensburg is really recommended. When you are in Regensburg and you are just willing to have some kind of Indian snack, then this is a place, Ambros Spiceland, where you can get all kind of Indian snacks which are available in Germany. After eating a wonderful Indian food, we are heading towards our next destination, shopping. In Regensburg, there are many places to shop, but my favorite one is this TkMax store. Here you will find brands and variety of not only clothes, but also footwear, accessories, watches for all generations. Also home appliances, decor, furniture and cosmetic. I mean, it is a complete family shop. Apart from this, there are many individual brand shops and also malls and supermarkets. A UNESCO World Heritage in Regensburg. Actually, the whole city of Regensburg is under the UNESCO Heritage, and this is the heart of Regensburg. Regensburg is a place where you will find special shopping events also. Among them is Vino Kilo. And if you want to know all about this event, click in the link given in the iCard. Finally, heading towards the last part of the video, the hotel room tour. But before that, have a quick look at this hotel and the European breakfast, which was included in the room cost. Hello guys, please come in. Well, I am in Regensburg and I am staying in this beautiful 4-star hotel called the Best Western Premier Novina Hotel. So let me take you to the tour of my beautiful room. We have a one standing light over here, two side table lights and one table lights over here. And according to me, this light is not enough because I am used to with a white tube lights, and this light for me is not exactly enough. I don't know if it's for you guys enough, but I would rather prefer more light in this room. But anyhow, we don't have a balcony but a big window with a beautiful outlook. And of course a standing mirror, a full-size mirror at the starting of this room. Hello Bandish.
Hi.
What are you putting over there?
Some important things.
So as you can see, we have a locker also here where we can put our some important things like passport, keys, etc. And we have a cute little mini refrigerator here. We have a small mini bar over here, and the alcoholic beverages cost around 2.5 euros, and the soft drinks are free. So we have something to drink over here. There is an apple straw, there is apple juice, orange juice, one soda. No, it's not a soda. Is it a soda?
It's a classic water.
Yeah, it's a classic water and Pepsi. And last but not the least, the bathroom. The bathroom is attached over here, separated with this translucent glass. And it has a shower and all the toiletries. And yes, it also has a hair dryer. Yeah, that's it. So this is it. This is a room, and I paid for this room around 120 euros. It is inclusive of the breakfast. here I would like to mention that if you are traveling abroad or if you're even traveling in India, that please make sure that you book the hotels with the breakfast. And why? Because breakfasts are like kings. If you have taken a good healthy breakfast, then you have the energy to roam around the whole time and you can explore the place in a better way. I make it a point to book my hotels with the breakfast for the reason that I do not spend my much time or lose my time of this lunch where I can utilize them to explore the city, and I directly take then the dinner. So this is it. Thank you for being with me on this tour of my hotel room. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you are new to my channel, hit the bell button so that you get notification for my every next video. So till then, see you in the next video. Dare to dream, travel to discover. Goodbye and namaste.